Alright, so Halloween is here, so it's time for our final test of our projected Halloween holograms for the trick-or-treaters. And panning down here, you can see our 3D pumpkin illusions from last year that I've got set up again in the yard. And these are still my favorite. And that's using the Ape Man LC350 this year. And now panning over to the left, you can see our Cronova projector projecting onto the screen we built in the prior 3-part video. And in the background, we have our Creatures of the Night projected onto the house, showing a nice big full moon. And I really like how this turned out, running all 3 projectors at once, giving all these different illusions at different depths in the yard. And the neighbors seem pretty impressed with everything. And here's another panning shot of our 3D pumpkin animations. The trick-or-treaters seem to enjoy those the most.
I took it from the good townspeople. 'Twas quite a task. Here, why don't you have some?
And here's another low shot of our projected Halloween holograms using our ghost animations. And I really like how this turned out, running the Creatures of the Night illusion in the background with the ghost in the foreground. And as always, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy Halloween!